Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Last class I have explained mean of a group of data by using appropriate method. Either you can use the second method, that is nothing but assumed mean method, or a step deviation method. Now I am going to tell you about median and a mode of a group of data. Median and mode of a group of data. Okay, and which is important for 4 marks question. For example, before that the following formulas are: median is equals to L plus n by 2 minus Cf by small f into h. And he will ask a question: write a formula for median of a group of data and explain the terms in it. In this case, what is L, what is N, what is Cf, what is F, and what is H, you are going to explain after writing the formula. L is nothing but L equal to lower boundary of the median class Cf is equals to cumulative frequency of the median class just above the frequency. And F indicates frequency of the median class, and H represents size of the class interval. And N is equals to number of observations. So this is about the median of a group of data. That is nothing but he asks a question for 2 marks. Write a formula for median of a group of data and explain the terms in it. If you write the formula and if you have explained this, you will get 2 marks. 1 mark for writing a formula and 1 mark for explanation of that each and every term. Okay, so based on this formula, we'll see one question. The question is like this: the following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality. Find the median, mean, and mode of the data and compare them. So the question is, he has given that monthly consumption, and number of consumers. (65 to 85), 85 to 105, 105 to 125, 125 to 145, 145 to 165, 165 to 185, 185 to 205. And the second column values are 4, 5, 13, 20, 14, 8 and 4. So this is the median I'm doing, which is very important for 4 marks median. Okay, so whenever the question is like this, so I'm writing the monthly consumption as class interval, and the second one as F5 values, that is nothing but frequencies, and the third one is cumulative frequency. Third one is cumulative frequency. And class intervals are 65 to 85, 85 to 105, 105 to 125, 125 to 145, 145 to 165, 165 to 185, 185 to 205. These are before making the table, see that number of consumers, that is nothing but frequencies, whether in a median compulsory you are going to check the second column values, whether they are in jumble or they are in order. If they are jumble, directly you can take the values as a frequencies, that is nothing but, so here the values are in jumble, so you can consider as a 4, 5, 18, 13, 20, 14, 8 and 4. And soon after writing that F5 values, n you are getting the value. N is nothing but number, total frequency. Now that is nothing but, first of all you can add of these all values. 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 4 20, 20 plus 8 28, and this is, so already he has given in the question only 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6, 68. N value you got. Now how to find out that CF means and what are the values he has given in a second column, you can add one after the other. First value you can write as it is. 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 13 22, 22 plus 20 42, 42 plus 14 56, 56 plus 8 64, 64 plus 4 68. So you have tallied this answer. So after that you can indicate what are the values you are getting in the formula. That is nothing but the highest frequency in the frequency is 20, so that I am indicating as the total part. So that is nothing but this value is the frequency, and just in a cumulative frequency, just above the frequency value you are getting as a CF. You are getting as the CF value. Okay, and you know that N value, N you know, F you know, CF you know, and at the same time see that what type of classes they are. If the upper boundary is repeating to the next class of the lower boundary, such type of classes you are calling as exclusives. For in exclusives, you can take the size of the class interval as usual. That is nothing but 65 to 85. The difference is 20 you are getting. So H is equals to 20. And you can check 105 minus 85, 20. 125 to 105, 20. So H is equals to 20 you are getting. And the lower boundary you can consider as directly, because these are exclusive classes. So L is equals to 125. So how to take that L value? What was the highest frequency values in the frequencies? Based on the representation of the frequency, highest frequency you are getting as a lower boundary. And CF is equals to 22. CF equal to 22. And N equals to 68, but you don't require N, you want a N by 2 value, that is nothing but 68 by 2, 2 ones are 2, 34s are, so therefore N by 2 is equals to 34 you got. So at last you got all the values, so you can write on the formula. Median equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF by small f into H. So this is the median of the group data. So median equals to L value. What is L value here? 125. 125 plus n by 2. So close the bracket. N by 2. What is n by 2 here? 34 minus CF value 22 by small f. Small f here. So that is nothing but I did not represent here small f. So small f is equals to 20. Small f equal to 20. So here small f value I am representing as 20 into h value, size of the class interval as 20. So in this case I can cancel 20 and 20 directly. So which is nothing but 125 plus 34 minus 22, which is nothing but I think you are getting 4 minus 2, 2, 3 minus 2, 1. 12 you are getting. That is nothing but by adding these two you are getting as 125 plus 12 is nothing but 137. So therefore median is equals to 137. And whenever you are solving for median, see that always that median is lies between highest frequency of the class interval only. See that highest frequency, that is 20, that means in between 125 and 145 the answer should lie. So that is nothing but 137 is the